Hiya, it's Darren from Ray's Guitars, and on the bench today I've got a really nice Hofner Violin Bass. And if you watch my podcast, you may be able to figure out who the owner is, because I've had a chat with him on there. So, lovely little thing, but needs a fair bit of TLC to get it back to where it should be. I'm going to be fitting some flat wound, genuine Hofner strings, cleaning it all up, doing a setup, and I'm quite looking forward to have a play on this one. Right, so first things first, let's just check the electrics. Excellent. So no untoward noises. Let's check the. So this is my pre-setup measurements, so I can demonstrate, or not demonstrate, but know how good the changes have been. Crikey, that's high. 3.25. 3.25. Check on the neck relief. Right, what we got? The thickest one I've got. Right, okay, so the neck relief really needs setting. So the neck relief is further off the scale than the fattest gauge I've got, so I'm going to be able to get some brilliant improvements out of this. Neck relief 70 plus, I reckon. Pickup heights. To 2.8. Okay, and then I'm going to be fitting. We're making a change, going from round wound, from round wounds to flat rounds, using their genuine Hofner strings. This is going to be really good. Okay, so first things first is I'm going to get these old strings off, and then give this a really good clean up. So the whole thing needs clean up. Now the other thing I remember that I've got to look at is that comes off. So that, yeah, that needs a repair as well. So I'll get the strings off, I'll sort out the scratch plate, then we'll do a full clean up and oil the fretboard, clean the frets, clean the whole body up before it starts to go back together. Just cut those so I don't have to pull the ends through and risk scratching things. Okay, right, so what's going on here? so that's floating. That's okay. And then that just comes over there. It's like a nail. It's a nail. That's a nail. Okay, so I'm going to see what I can do about that hole and see if we can improve that. I think that's meant to float around, so we'll have a look. Okay, so I've taken the pickguard off. I've figured out what I'm going to do with that. It's basically just get a very small screw, which is probably what should have been there in the first place, so it's just dropped off. And then screw that in, put that back on. So while that's off, I've cleaned the top, pulled that back, cleaned all the chrome up. It's come up nice, got right under there, very fiddly. And now I'm going to polish all the frets. Okay, leave that for a little while to soak in. Okay, progress so far. So, pickguard fixed, everything cleaned up, looking super shiny. Frets, fretboard all done. Okay, truss covers off because I know I've got to adjust that. So the next stage will be putting putting the new strings on, and then getting the setup right. Okay, let's get rid of that. Just get it all out. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the flat wound strings. Really flat. I wonder why they call them flat wounds. Right, so strings are on. Sounds really musical. Now I've pulled them roughly to pitch. I'm going to set the neck relief, then I'm going to do the string height, and then I'm going to do the intonation. Find the right one. Right. Yeah, long way to go up yet. Okay. Let's get the right Allen key. Alright. Bit more. Bit more. That's it. There we go. So that's pretty good. 1.5. It'll come up a touch. There we go, all done. I really like that. In fact, I might even try and get one myself. Hofner Violin Bass.